Have you ever told yourself you're burnt out, but deep down something fell off? Like maybe you're not exhausted from doing too much. Maybe you're exhausted from avoiding too much. Burnout and a discipline gap can feel almost identical on the surface, but the cause and the cure are completely different. So today, let's explore 7 signs that what you're feeling might not be burnout at all. This isn't about shame. It's about honest self-awareness. Sign number 1. Your exhaustion is weirdly selective. You feel drained when it's time to work, but still have energy for scrolling or Netflix. True burnout tends to drain everything. Your joy, your relationships, your body. But a discipline gap, it specifically drains your motivation for hard things. Notice the pattern. Are you tired in general, or just tired of trying? There's a big difference. Sign number 2, you've had 1,000 fresh starts. Monday motivation, new journal, new routine, new you. And by Wednesday, it's already fallen apart. Burnout doesn't usually look like repeated restarts. It looks like giving up entirely because you genuinely have nothing left. But if you keep getting excited to try again, that energy is still in there. The issue isn't your capacity, it's your consistency. Sign number 3, you've mistaken boredom for burnout. Sitting with discomfort is hard, really hard. And when something feels boring, tedious, or slow, our brain sends an alarm. That alarm can feel like, I'm burnt out, I need rest. But sometimes it's just resistance. The brain avoids effort. It's wired that way. If you feel burnt out only when things get hard, that's friction, not burnout. Sign number 4. Your dream life lives mostly in your head. You can picture exactly where you want to be. The business, the body, the life. But the gap between imagining it and actually doing the work? Huge. Burnout survivors often lose the dream for a while. The vision goes quiet. But if your dream is still vivid and alive, the fire isn't out. You just haven't been feeding it with action. Sign number 5. You've been resting, but you still feel stuck. You took the break, the weekend off, maybe even a whole week, and you came back feeling exactly the same. With true burnout, rest is medicine. It slowly rebuilds you. But with a discipline gap, rest doesn't fix the root issue, because the problem was never your energy level. It was your relationship with discomfort. And rest doesn't teach you how to tolerate hard things. Sign number 6, you feel behind, not broken. People in true burnout often stop caring about comparison. They're too depleted to even think about what others are doing. But if you're endlessly comparing yourself to others who are doing the work, that frustration is actually a signal. It means part of you knows what you're capable of, and it's tired of waiting for you to act on it. Sign number 7, you have a plan. You just don't follow it. Burnout often brings confusion, fog. You genuinely don't know what to do next. But a discipline gap, you know exactly what needs to happen. Wake up earlier, do the work, stop procrastinating. You've told yourself 1,000 times. The issue isn't information, it's execution. And that's actually good news, because execution is a skill you can build. So, did any of those signs hit close to home? Here's the truth. Recognizing a discipline gap isn't a judgment. It's not about being lazy or broken. It's about understanding why you're struggling so you can actually fix it. Because the right solution for burnout is rest. But the right solution for a discipline gap is gentle, consistent, compassionate action. Start small, one task, one moment, one honest try. You're not behind. You're just beginning. And that's always enough to start with. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, understanding yourself is always the first step to changing yourself.